so she could really focus on having fun with her grandkids instead of trying to find things in her pantry. Hi, Loretta Jammal here, Senior Designer with ShelfGenie of Greater Houston. Part of our in-home consultation, which is a free consultation by the way, is that we visit with you and begin to understand your frustrations, we educate you about the options, and then we show you what those solutions will look like in your kitchen. Here's an example of a 3D design for one of our clients. This one we did her pantry. This was a standard walk-in pantry, and we were able to make it much more functional. Instead of a little 8-inch shelf in the back, L-shaped shelf all the way around the pantry, we took everything out and then rebuilt these solutions to go inside there. This client was a real baker, and her joy was spending time with her grandkids doing baking. So she had a lot of baking items, and we were able to put these in. This is our patented corner solution. This is our glide around, and so you can see that it rotates around. It has a deck on the top which can store a lot of other items, and then these 2 glide out shelves that come in and out. We also were able to utilize our vertical storage space for a lot of her baking pans and sheets and muffin tins can now easily go here. And so this was a great way for her to see how those solutions would help her and make all of these items more accessible, so she could really focus on having fun with her grandkids instead of trying to find things in her pantry. We can do all of this for you too. Come see us and we'll schedule that in-home consultation for you.